Assalamu alaikum dear friends, hope you are doing well and to the best of your health. I really apologize for the delay of the sessions. This is our fifth session of our initiative academic writing and referencing. This is related to for the research paper and especially for the master and MPhil and doctorate students. So I'm going to deliver this to empower our students and the next generation. So I'm happy to share my knowledge and about this subject. So today we will discuss about the main important part of the sessions, the attribute of good scientific and technical writing. So there are three things in this element: either technical content, presentation, and language skill. So these are the three main component of the good scientific writing and technical writing point of view. If we talk about technical content, it's timely information. So whatever you are addressing in your paper is supposed to be very good information and with respect to the time. Either you have to link with the previous, or either you have to give your interpretation in respect of the features. The supporting data. So you have to be provide and justify your statement or your objective and your question with the relevant data. And you verify where you get the data. This is a credit source. So you are taking the data. It's supposed to be a very reliable source of the data collections that makes sense of your analysis and the static analysis to techniques. And you have to be very clear in the purpose of what you are going to be analyze, what you are going to be address, what you are going to be conclude. So everything that you are going to be address in your paper, it's very clear to be understandable. If you are unable to explain and write your paper in that way which is not understandable, it is a waste of time. So you have to be make sure what you are writing, what you are defining, it is very clear to be understood for the audience, for the readers. And it's supposed to be the factual based factual information. You cannot be like everything is a subjective, but it's subjective matter. But you have to be prove the evidence of the fact and figures that confirm and verify your statements. And there is no plagiarism, and useful information also be there. Appreciate for the readership, and you have to be develop the interest of the readers, the way you are expressing your writing and techniques, and this is a technical art. If you lose the interest of the reader, you lose everything. So you have to be very clear, very important things in your paper, research paper. The reader must have interest in your article and your paper. The presentation of your everything is presentation means not a Google slide presentation that you are going to be delivered to any like your board member. Presentation is the presentation of the paper and the article, the way you are going to be presented. It's supposed to be the very concise. It's supposed to be logical sections, no biasness. It's supposed to be everything is a generic. It's supposed to be not address a specific personality or person or sub-targeted. The visual aids interesting. So you have to be developed it is very clear to be interesting to the audience, specific rather than general. So if specific and general mean you cannot be generalize in overall. You have to be very clear in addressing the specific focus area that you are going to be addressing in your research paper. And you have to be very clear to be identify the suitable font. Mostly we use the time romance and with the 14 and 12 high titles and the paragraphs format. If you in the third pillar of this your good scientific and technical writing is the language skill. The grammar is a very important thing. There should not be a mistakes in the grammars. It is a reasonable grammar point of view. It is not like you have to be use a very fantasy words, nice words, beautiful words. No, this is the sequence and the makes sense. The what are you are using your words and the sentences in your research article or the research paper. This give you a comprehensive meaning of this your what you are communicating to the audience, or what you are going to be providing justification of your titles. So the good page layout, there is a standard parameter of the research article paper that you have to be follow. Hierarchical sequence of the headlines, you have to be like in a way that create the reader interest, like a sequence by sequence. So active wise, you have to be both, like some sentences you have to be used active and some wise passive. So mixed sentences length not is supposed to be too much, not long sentences, not too short sentences. So no jargon or acronyms, no misspellings, no punctuation error. So these are the main important things in the language skills that you have to be care of your technical writing. I hope it's clear, very good, clearly about the technical content. What are the technical content you have to be take care in the articles or research paper, and what are the presentation requirement and the parameter that you have to be careful, as well as the language skills. This is a very important thing. If you are losing your language skills in writing and the drafting of any research papers, you are wasting and losing your all the efforts. So be careful. All of these things must be ensuring your articles that makes sense everything. Thank you very much. See you in the next sessions with the next topic.